Hi guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here today. I'm just going to show you another install that we've done in a Range Rover Vogue 2013 with the original BOSCH menu. As you can see, this is the aftermarket one that's been installed. So as you can see all down here, you've got all your little touchscreen buttons down here, and then you've got your original menu. It's all still touchscreen on there. This range is our HV range. It's probably one of the first ones we've done on this car, only reason being because it only came out a few months back. It did initially come out as an Android only system, but obviously they've changed things now, so you're allowed to get the original menus on here as well as the aftermarket. As you can see, it's a really nice little shiny new product today, as you can see. So if you basically want to go into the Android series, you just basically hold down that option there, and then also there you go, you have all the Android operations and homepage here. It does come with built-in CarPlay and Android Auto. I've set it up today for the purpose of the video. As you can see, this is the CarPlay side two things here. This is obviously connected to my phone. As you can see, there's my DAB radio, WhatsApp there. 1 second. As I say, Apple Maps and Google Maps and stuff like that. So if you're familiar with CarPlay, then obviously you get this too, free of charge. Also, it's got the Android Auto built into the same app. So if you are an Android user, then obviously you will be getting the Android Auto side to here. So let's go back to the home page of the Android side. So I'll just give you a quick run through of what the system's got to offer. So as you can see, some icons down here which are basically relevant to the car's icons, and some obviously relevant to the system itself. So you got your navigation to the left. So this is an Android operating system with built-in CarPlay, as I said before. So obviously if you wanted to use the Android side, you can forget all about CarPlay and Android Auto, just use this side here. So navigation will do any map of choice. So obviously if you want to download Waze or Google Maps or Copilot, TomTom, whatever you want into the application center, you can assign it to this navigation here. As you can see, it's got Google Maps on it straight away. This is an internet app here, so obviously you will need an internet connection. It does come with a SIM card holder for 4G, or alternatively you can connect your phone's hotspot. Okay, so we go back to here. So we got your music one in the middle, so obviously you can put your music and also videos on a pen drive and play it in through one of the USB cables that comes with the system. So as you see, it's just put on there. So obviously I don't think there's anything on there at the moment anyway, because of it being a brand new system. Okay, go back to Bluetooth, self-explanatory there. So obviously this is where you connect your phone to. You do have full phone box support, which we obviously haven't connected up at the moment, but you can stream your music through it too. So obviously if you've got music on your phone, you can do that also. 1 second, sorry my gaff, I'm using the wrong finger here. So basically here's your video. So again, going back to basically showing your you can put on a USB pen. It does work with the steering wheel controls, as you can see me lowering it down. This message here is just a safety message, which is the default, which basically means it's supposed to stop you from watching when you're driving, as you can see by the message, but you can switch this feature off if you want, which I'll do in a short while. Let's go back on 1 second. Original vehicle info takes you back to the home page of the car itself. Dashboard, so obviously this shows your revs and your speedometer, as you can see me doing that there. Let's have a little look. Application setup, just the back end settings to tweak the sound, Android settings and stuff like that. Z-Link, which is obviously your CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, go to your applications. This is all what's pre-installed onto the system when you get it. So it does have like the likes of YouTube and Google Maps already pre-installed. There's the Play Store icon there if you want to watch some, download some application from the Play Store. Now you don't have to be, don't be scared when, obviously if you're looking at the Android system, you've got an Apple phone. All it means is basically Android is where you download your apps to, as opposed to the Apple App Store when you do it on your Apple phone. But it's just a case of you can link your phone to it in means of Bluetooth, Wi-Fi tethering, music streaming, and also the CarPlay. So don't worry about it being an Apple phone and an Android product. You won't have to worry about that one. Let's have a little look what this is here. So that takes you back to there. Let's have a little look on now 1 second. Okay, so it's got a built-in DSP sound processor in there, which basically allows you to enhance your music output. So I'll just go back in there 1 second. Don't ask me what this one is. Don't know what that is. No idea. This one's Hawaii. So let me have a look through the shortcuts here. 1 second. Just going to show you some of these, there you go, some of these shortcuts down the bottom will take you through to there. I haven't really played around with these ones, to be honest with you. So obviously they are applicable to the system. Settings, yeah, there you go. Home, yeah, okay, what's that one there do? Don't know what them two there in terms of spinning around, maybe it's not applicable on this. Okay, so I'll just bring it to an end today, guys. If you got any questions, as I say, this has gone in a Vogue today, but we do them for the Discovery, the Autobiography, the Evoque, whatever. Look on our website anyway, we've got quite a lot of products with Range Rovers. So if you've got any questions, give us a shout, and hopefully see you soon. Take care now, bye bye.